Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 looks from Fashion Nova. This is not sponsored. If you like my makeup in this look, stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because I will be doing a tutorial. And let's get into it. But before we do, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the very first look. These jeans are from Fashion Nova, obviously. But yeah, these are made of a really stretchy material, so they really kind of hug your curves like so. They're really comfortable, and they were super easy to put on. They have these slits kind of in the front and then also on the back pocket to give it kind of a more edgy look. Probably one of my more favorite pairs of jeans just because of how flattering they are, and trust me you guys, they're super cheap, like 40 bucks. Then I just paired it with this nude bodysuit from Posh Shop and then also this gold jewelry. Seriously though, check out the deets on these bracelets. They're so industrial. I absolutely love it. Then, because it's still quite chilly kind of where I'm at, I just kind of put this long cardigan over top of everything. Kind of gives it more of a really just classy look while also staying warm. Okay, next pair of jeans from Fashion Nova, but the material was way different. No joke, you guys. These were kind of a biatch trying to get on. Like, they were super hard, but they really do suck you in. Like, I call these my skinny pants because they kind of, I feel like, make me look just a little bit thinner and I have a little bit of a thigh gap. Then I just paired it with this purple knit sweater, and underneath the sweater I used like a bralette, a black bralette to kind of match the pants, and it has this really pretty lace, so I just like to wear the sweater kind of off the shoulder to kind of let the lace from the bralette show through, and it's kind of more crop top, which I like because these jeans are so high-waisted. Okay, third and final look. Again, pants are from Fashion Nova. Different kind of material once again, not as like stretchy as the first pair of jeans, but you guys, look how bomb these look. Just like so dope, and the way that they kind of go up on the thigh, I don't know, it just makes everything look really flattering. And then I just paired it with this top from Miss Pap and then some clear heels just to kind of, I don't know, put more emphasis on the pants, if you will. And then again, because it's still pretty chilly, I paired it with this crop top from Fashion Nova as well. It's actually really quite warm, made of this like really nice soft knit material, so it all works well. Alright guys, so yeah, I think that's it for now. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye!